Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to From Toys to Trains. I'm Maya. Today we are at the Misters in Brookfield on Bluemound Road. So sit back and enjoy the wash. And just for an FYI, this is their full service car wash for $18. And there that one was, everyone. That one was the Mister's Car Wash at 19050 on Bluemound Road in Brookfield, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching my video, and if you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, watch for that little house and click on that, and it will get you to my channel. Again, thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you right here next time on From Toys to Trains. I'm Maya. Take care, everyone.